Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to share with you the BAISITE Paint by Numbers Kit. Hands down, the best painting with numbers experience for beginners and adults alike. Whether you're looking to distress, get creative, or simply enjoy a new hobby, this kit is perfect for you. This BAISITE kit comes with two beautiful pre-printed canvases, each measuring 12 by 16 inches, showcasing stunning landscapes of sunset lakes and mountains. The artwork is beautifully designed with clear, easy-to-follow numbers, so you don't need any prior experience to get started. Just pick up your brush and follow the guide, it's that simple. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to create your masterpiece. The kit includes two high-quality, rolled cotton and linen canvases that are wrinkle-free and ready to be painted. You'll also get two sets of vibrant acrylic paints, which are more than enough to cover the entire canvas. With 30% extra paint for the most frequently used colors, you won't have to worry about running out halfway through. And of course, there are 8 wooden paint brushes to help you tackle different areas of the painting with precision. The BAISITE Paint by Numbers Kit isn't just about creating beautiful art. It's a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. Painting by numbers has been proven to help reduce stress and improve mental well-being, offering a calming and meditative experience. The process of painting each section with its corresponding number is a soothing activity that allows you to focus on the task at hand, leaving your worries behind. This kit is not just for you but also makes an amazing gift. Imagine the joy of gifting this creative art set to a loved one for a birthday, holiday, or any special occasion. It's a unique and thoughtful way to share the fun of painting, and the end result is something they'll be proud to hang on their wall. Once you've completed your painting, you'll have a stunning piece of art to display in your home. Whether you choose to frame it or leave it as is, this painting will be a beautiful reminder of the time you spent creating something special. So if you're ready to start your own painting adventure, don't wait. The BAISITE Paint by Numbers Kit is available now, and it's the perfect way to tap into your creativity while enjoying some much-needed relaxation. We highly recommend this product for anyone looking to start their painting journey, whether you're a beginner or just want to try something new. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. We hope this video has helped you discover the perfect Paint by Numbers kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this. Until next time, happy painting!